What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. Today we're taking a look at a gaming PC. If you're looking for your next gaming PC that's compact, looks good and capable of playing your favorite games, then the Acer Predator Orion 3000 could be the one for you. In the box, it comes with a power cable, warranty information, and of course, the Predator Orion 3000 itself. Taking a closer look at the unit, you get a USB Type-C port and a USB 3 port as well on the front with headphone ports and a mic port as well. That way you can easily plug in any peripherals without having to reach to the back each time you need to do so. The front design carries the Acer Predator design DNA with the angular, sharp look. It looks like a Predator basically if you've seen the movie before. You get a headphone tray or holder or cradle that pops out from the sides as well. An optical disc drive too for installing games if you don't want to use stuff like Steam or install games directly from Microsoft Xbox platform. The front is also illuminated and the power button is illuminated around it as well, which I kind of like as well. I love that the fan below, you can see it spinning through the casing, and it's also illuminated. And along the side, you see loads of ventilation options, and on the back as well. So this gaming PC is built to be well ventilated and to dissipate heat very easily. So it's nice and kept cool when gaming for a prolonged period of time. Around the back of the unit, you have ample USB ports available to you for all your devices. You got HDMI and DVI ports as well for visual, and this supports 4K gaming thanks to Nvidia GTX 10 series that's included here, and audio ports as well on the back. You also get a couple of expansion slots to boost your gaming device as well if you wish to do so. For specs, this is packing an 8GB RAM, DDR4 RAM that is, which you can also upgrade to up to 64 gigs with 16GB Intel Optane memory to keep your gaming smooth with no hiccups as well. If you want to find out more about what Intel Optane memory platform is, I'll leave a link in the description as well to my friend's video describing all the stuff. My friend Tech Chap describes it very well, which I feel is the best way really to get familiar with it. You get an 8th gen Intel Core i5 processor in there, which you can also upgrade to i7 at point of purchase if you like, or later on as well. For graphics, you get a GTX 1050 Ti GPU in there. Again, you can opt for the 1080 version if you wish to do so, if you require more. For storage, there's a 1TB hard drive in there with 256 SSD also. The SSD is there to keep things loading very quickly. With the Predator Orion 3000, it's not all about the hardware though. There are some software or applications available also to ensure a smooth and immersive gaming experience here. There's Predator Sense, which allows you to monitor your CPU and GPU performance, as well as tweaking the fan speed to keep your gaming PC very cool during those intense gaming sessions. Next, you have Creative Soundblaster X 720 degrees, which allows you to tweak your sound to ensure the best sound experience. For example, it can help you with making sure you can hear footsteps when playing games like Call of Duty. So if enemies coming from behind or from wherever, you can easily hear where they're coming from. In terms of safety as well, you can even use this Soundblaster X here to actually morph your voice as well to hide your identity online. So if you've got kids playing on this, for example, you can use that to sort of mask their voice so no one knows really who's behind the microphone if they're talking to other people online. Finally, you have Nvidia Geforce experience, which lets you dive into your graphics card settings. You can update the drivers and even use Nvidia's gaming overlay for capturing your gaming session as well. So if you want to be publishing that on YouTube, for example, you can do that, or for live streaming as well. Overall gaming experience has been really fantastic for me. I've loaded up the Orion 3000 with the latest Forza Horizon 4, which is very new. It's got loads of upgrades in terms of graphics and different seasons and so on. There'll be a different video for that. He handles it like a champ, even with the maximum graphics settings tweaked there as well. Rendering the cars is very easy. Driving around the map is immersive with no hiccups, there's no glitches or anything. Combining the Orion 3000 with Acer's gaming monitor with Nvidia G-Sync made perfect sense as it worked harmoniously together perfectly to create the best gaming experience at the price point for me as well. Will this be your next gaming PC? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again to Acer for sponsoring this video. If you want to find out more, there's links in the description area for you to check out as well. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button as well so you'll be one of the first people to know when we upload any videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.